My video is about getting rid of the ransomware, which is called mnlywjzi. This is a ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their computers. First of all, keep in mind that my video is strictly for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm just showing you the negativity that can be involved with this ransomware. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular mnlywjzi ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then pretty soon users realize that they just cannot use their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware. This mnlywjzi is the extension appended to the files. It's not possible to use the data. No matter what file you open, you still get this message that it's not possible for Windows to open this file. So the ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery, but don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. If you pay the ransom, you may simply just waste your money without getting your data recovered. I recommend that you immediately research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download Combo Cleaner, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser. So, through Internet Explorer, go to the website combocleaner.com. download the program, install it, and then start the application. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. Of course, the update of the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in this trial mode. Then the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin. The scanning itself might take some time. It may depend on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned simultaneously. And it may depend on other factors too. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Combo Cleaner only removes the ransomware, but it does not recover the data that was damaged by the ransomware. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner will help to protect your data from further attacks by all sorts of ransomware. So, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license as the best solution to keep your files always under the protection.